Afternoon, my dear students. Let us do the chapter differentiation. Question number 1 given f of x equal to 4x square minus 1 by 5 minus 2x whole square. Sorry, whole cube given. 4x square minus 1 by 5 minus 2x whole cube. Means if f of x equal to this, then find f dash 2. I think it is clear for you. F of x given one function given 4x square minus 1 by 5 minus 2x whole cube, and you have to find out f dash 2 means derivative at the point x is equal to 2. So first of all, let's find out f dash x. After finding f dash x, then you have to put x equal to 2. Let's see. Now f of x given f dash x, you have to find a derivative of the given function. What is that? 4x square minus 1 by 5 minus 2x whole cube. Okay, that means this will be, therefore f dash x, you have to apply EYV form. You know what is EYV form? U by V means V square. V means 5 minus 2x whole cube whole square. It will be 4 to the 6. Already whole cube given, that whole square means 6. Then V into derivative of U. That will be how much? 8x. Directly I am doing. Minus U, that is 4x square minus 1. Derivative of V. What is that? 5 minus 2x whole cube. What is the derivative of this one? This 3 will come here. 3 whole into 5 minus 2x whole square, power will be 1 less. Again derivative of inside part, that is 5 minus 2 will be minus 2. Because derivative 5 is 0. Yes or no? Minus 2x derivative is minus 2. Next you see how much you are getting. That means this is 8x whole into 5 minus 2x whole cube, and this is minus 6 here, minus 1 plus 6 whole into 4x square minus 1 and 5 minus 2x whole square divided by 5 minus 2x whole to the power 6. This one is f dash x. Next you have to find out f dash 2. F dash 2 means put in the value of x as 2. This will be 8 into 2, and it will be 5 minus 4 whole cube plus 6 whole into, if I put x equal to 2 here, how much it will get? 2 whole square 4 4 16 minus 1, and here 5 minus 4 whole square. Divide by same thing here, 5 minus 2 to the 4 to the power 6. Put in the value x equal, that means derivative of the given function at x equal to 2. How much you getting? 16. 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 will is 1. And here 6 into 15, and this is 1. Downside is 1 to the power 6 means 1. And 16, 15, 6 is 90. That is coming 106. So what is the answer? 106 is the answer. I think it is clear for you. Very important question. Chapter name is differentiation for class 11. F of x given 4x square minus 1 by 5 minus 2x whole cube. You have to find out f dash 2 means the derivative of the given function at x equal to 2. So before that you have to find out f dash x and derivative of the given function dy dx of. You have to apply here u by v form. This is u, this is v. As per the formula, v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. Okay. I think you have memorized the formula. If not memorized, I am writing for short. If y is equal to u by v, then dy by dx formula is what? I am writing for your last time. You have to memorize v square v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v. This is the formula I applied here. Let us go one more sum. Question number 2. Y is equal to 3x minus 2 by 5x square plus 7, it is given, and you have to find out dy dx. Here also you have to apply u by v form. dy by dx d by dx of 3x minus 2 by 5x square plus 7. You have to apply u by v form. What is that? V square 5x square plus 7 whole square 5x square plus v into derivative of u. What is that derivative? 3x derivative is what? 1 means 3 into 1 3. 2 derivative 0 minus u means 3x minus 2. Derivative of denominator part means v. Derivative of 5x square plus 7 means this should be 10x. And 7 derivative 0. Next you have to open the bracket. This will be 15x square plus 21 minus 30x square plus 20x. You have to simplify in proper manner, and 5x square plus 7 whole square is given denominator. 15x square minus 30x square will be how much? Minus 15x square plus 20x plus 21 divided by 5x square plus 7 whole square. You can keep it like this, otherwise you can minus second common, and this is the answer. Divided. Okay, number 2 completed. Let us go number 3. Question number 3 is given in product form given, like 2x cube minus 7 whole into 9x to the power 5 9x to the power 5 plus 2x square minus 3 2x square minus 3. You have to apply here UV form, u into v, or you can open the bracket, anyone, whatever you can apply. Therefore dy by dx means dy by dx of this total 2x cube minus 7 9x to the power 5 plus 2x square minus 3. You have to apply here product rule, means first function into derivative of second. I am writing the formula first. Derivative of second, that is 9x to the power 5 plus 2x square minus 3. Then plus first function derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first one. What is that? That is 2x cube minus 7. Okay. Now tell me what is the answer you are getting here. Therefore dy by dx will be 2x cube minus 7 whole into, this will be 9 5 is 45 x to the power 4, and this one is 4x. Next it is coming 9x to the power 5 plus 2x square minus 3 whole into, what is the derivative of 2x cube? This will be 6x. Okay, you can keep it here, and this is the answer. Let us go next number. Question number 4. Y is equal to x minus 1 by x whole cube. It is given and you have to find out dy. You can apply the formula here, or you can break a minus b whole cube form. I am writing like two methods. Okay, 2y dy by dx will be how much? D by dx x minus 1 by x whole cube. This will be power will come here 3 whole into x minus 1 by x whole square. Again derivative of x minus 1 by x. This is coming 3 whole into x minus 1 by x whole square. So what is the derivative of x? That is 1. Using chain rule here. Derivative of x is 1. This is 1 by derivative minus 1 by x square. That is plus 1 by x square. This is the answer. Okay. In another method you can do, or I am writing, just to open the bracket expansion formula. Therefore y will be x cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay. A minus b whole cube formula, just a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Again you simplify, this is x cube, this one will be x to the power minus 3 this is minus 3x, and this will be plus 3 by x. After that you will find out derivative. dy dx will be dy dx of x cube, then dy dx of x to the power minus 3, minus 3 take outside, dy dx of x, and plus 3 taken outside, dy dx of x to the power minus 1. 1 by x given. Now 1 by 1 you tell, therefore dy by dx is coming how much? This is 3x square, this will be minus 3 will come outside, that means plus 3, and x to the power minus 2, and this is minus 3 into 1 minus 3, and plus 3 minus 1 come here, x to the power minus 2. Again you have to simplify, 3x square plus 3 by x square minus 3, and this is minus 3 by x square. Okay, this is the answer. In two ways I have explained. I think the first one is more easier. If you apply the chain rule. This one is by the help of chain rule. Okay. By applying chain rule means first you have to apply the formula for cube, that is 3 whole into x minus 1 means whole square. Again you have to apply the inside derivative x minus 1 by x. This is called chain rule. I hope it is clear for you. Thank you for today's class. Next day to more on the chapter differentiation.